In this video, we will be installing AWID's portable tag for use with the LR3000 and the LR2000 readers. The portable tag comes in a hard case with 3 adhesive hook and loop strips. The tag can easily be removed and added to different vehicles where the hook and loop strips are installed. Now we will begin the installation. First, peel the adhesive backing from one of the strips and attach it to the back of the hard case. Then, attach another strip on top of it. The portable tag should be installed on the inside of the windshield, directly to the left or to the right of the rearview mirror. Now that you have identified where you would like the tag, we can begin the installation. Make sure the mounting location is clean and free of dust, then gently peel back the adhesive and firmly push the hard case into the desired place. Remove the hard case and secure the strip on the windshield, working your way out from the center and pressing down on the edges. The third hook and loop strip may be installed on an alternate vehicle using the same process so that the tags may be easily moved between vehicles. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.